This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza Madras Samayal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and warm water for the dough. For the sauce, prepare ripe tomatoes, garlic, onions, and a blend of Indian spices like chili powder and garam masala. Fresh vegetables and cheese will complete your toppings. This guide makes cooking enjoyable and straightforward. Now let's prepare the dough and sauce. In a bowl, combine warm water, a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, mix in flour and salt, kneading for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth. For the sauce, sauté chopped onions and garlic, add diced tomatoes and spices, then simmer. Blend it for a smooth consistency. With your dough and sauce ready, it's time to assemble your pizza. Gently roll out the dough into a 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Transfer it to a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread a generous amount of your homemade Madras sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Now, add your preferred toppings, like bell peppers, onions, and paneer, followed by a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your delicious Madras pizza. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your assembled pizza into the hot oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Once baked, let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing and serving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.